video opening his.
Yes, we're gonna be inside this. Hope it's gonna get Barb. Hope it's gonna get Barb.
What's up, J&J fam?
Let's take open these Mashems.
We're gonna post this. Yeah. Unboxing the Mashems. Troll Mashems.
Throw wood torn Mashems. I got. Oh my God!
Poppy. Show it. Put it close to the camera.
Guys, it's Poppy, guys, and we hope we're gonna get Bar in this one.
Hope you get who?
Bar.
Let me see. I'm just looking at the characters.
Look at the character got.
Who?
Bar.
The white one?
The what? The gray one. How much the gray one? Yeah.
Poppy. You know how to get Callie that.
Yeah.
You know that. She's got Grinch though, so she's got.
I don't know how to open this. How can I open it? Okay, we're gonna put this on YouTube. Hope it gonna be Barb, okay? Let's see. I mean, now got Poppy now. Now she got Wrench and. I got.
Jack, I know you do, son.
Yes, we're gonna be inside, guys. I gotta show you guys. Wait a who is this? Wait a it's Cooper! It's Cooper, guys! Oh my God! Guys.
Show him on the camera, though. You need to do it on the camera.
Guys, this is Cooper. Now we got Cooper and Poppy now. Let's see the Cooper. Everybody, we got.
Come on, let's go show Callie.
Hey guys, we need to show Big Callie.
Can we throw all these away?
Yeah, and now Cooper, okay?
He got Poppy.
Okay, gotta get Poppy.
He got Poppy and Cooper. Look at him, Callie. Cooper and Poppy. He got Poppy.
Guys, this is super Cooper, guys. Poppy and Cooper, guys. That's it for the video, guys. I'm Jack. Say Jack.
I'm Jack.
Buy that one for free, guys, and
we appreciate y'all watching.
Yeah.
And don't forget to hit the like, okay?
Buy that Walmart.
Y'all are our family. We need y'all.
Goodbye, everyone.
Don't forget to like and
Subscribe.
don't forget to subscribe.
Goodbye.
Bye.